You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of cherries. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting but often confusing Italian names that many get wrong, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. So, in Italian, this is said as maraschino, maraschino. Therefore, you would think that in English it should be said maraschino, but it is somehow, somewhat admitted that in English this is generally pronounced as maraschino, maraschino cherries. Not sure why, really. I'd suggest you'd say maraschino. At least know that this is the correct pronunciation from Italian, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.